What's up, vlog?
Hopefully that tape will work for the whole boat.
Wait. Right now, we're taping little thingies on little thingies. Hey, we're still taping, by the way.
Assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song.
We're cutting out pieces of tape, say farmers, to spray paint on the side of the boat so everybody knows who it is.
I know he's
Jaden's making the front of the boat right now, and we're spray painting.
I know I can treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me, why are we wasting time on all your wasted crown when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you better than he can.
Hey, what's up, guys?
We finished the front, the side, and the back. Now working on the last side, and then we'll be done after that.
I have a little bit of a dilemma here. It's not sticking. See, as you can see, it's because of the spray paint. Because of the spray paint, it does not stick. So we're gonna have to make a whole new side. And here it is, the real one and only Farmer's Boat. All done.
Better than he can. Better than he can. Give me a sign, take my hand, we'll be fine. Promise I won't let you down. Just know that you don't have to do this alone. Promise I'll never let you down. 'Cause I know I can treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a gentleman.